All right, we're going to walk you through the process of using polls in Zoom. So I've started at my actual meeting invite. And this is a great way, if you know which polls you're going to do, go ahead and plan them in advance. So I went and scrolled down, and there's a section down here for polls. And I've already put one in there, and I'll show you what that one looks like. So if I already have one in, I can come in and edit that. And right now I have my coffee poll. So I called it coffee poll. I put the question in, how do you take your coffee? It's a single choice because I only want people to pick one. And then you can add more questions if you want. I'm going to show you what the multi-choice one is. And this is a great option if you're going to do something like request what people's favorite topics are for your next event. That's a way to be able to do that. So I'm going to just come in and hit add, and it populates this, and we're going to call it topic. We're going to make this one pretty easy. Topic 1, topic 2, and I'm going to switch this over to multiple choice. And so that's going to allow people to do the checkbox versus the radio box version. And you could add multiple questions if you want to. I'm going to go ahead and save that. So that's the best way to do it. You can spontaneously generate polls in a meeting if you want to as well. But for right now, I'm just going to walk you through and see what it's like in a live meeting. So I have a group here, and there's a button right here that says polling. So I'm going to push that, and it goes ahead and asks which one. So you'll notice it says poll 1, coffee poll. I can also go ahead and pick from this drop-down menu if I want to change it. We're going to start with this first one, though. I'm going to go ahead and push the blue launch poll button, and it goes ahead and pushes it out to everybody's screen. So it lets me know how long we're running it, tells me how many people have voted, and it's giving me a live feed of what's going on. So right now I have 2 people submitted so far, and I could let it run. If you want to do some type of quiz, you could do it at like 20 seconds. You can have fun with this. But as soon as I feel like I have enough responses, I'll go ahead and hit end poll, and it'll give me the final results. I can share those results, or I can even relaunch that poll if I wanted to. So that if you wanted to see how people answered it at the beginning versus at the end, if they've gained knowledge about it, that's a great way to test people. But I can also from this window just go ahead and switch over to topic 2 and launch that as well. So it makes it really simple to go back and forth between any of those once you're going through that process. As I said, I highly recommend setting up that and planning it all in advance. Otherwise, you're a little tripping over yourself if you're trying to do it live. So there we go. It gives it what that results looks like, and I have all of those. I can go in and edit, and so that will take me back into, I'm going to move some screens around. It'll force you back into your browser, into the actual meeting invite if you're doing this live. So it's going to tell me to come back in here and edit through this window. So just be aware, it's going to push you between screens to give you the best process in order to manage and edit that. So have fun with polls. It's a great way to engage with people throughout a meeting. Keep energy up. So every 20 minutes, if you're going to do a meeting, you want to do something to engage. So polls are a great way to do that.